Learn how to make your home business a success. If you are one of those people that is a go-getter, then you're in the right place. Having a home business can be a very successful steady flow of income for you and your loved ones. If you want to have any success with home business, you're going to want to expand your knowledge as much as you can. Look through this video to see what you can take from it. Keep your workspace clean and clutter-free. Working from home can be less stressful if your work area is clean and well organized. Keep only work-related items in your home office. Leaving recipe cards and laundry where you can see them will only remind you of more work. Your office needs some sort of door or barrier. Your office needs to be separate from the living areas in the home. This will be a mental and physical signal that your workspace is separate from your rest space. The separation will help you to leave your work behind when you are busy with the rest of your life. If you are good with crafts, you can start a home business by selling the things that you make. Not only will you make extra money, but you will be having fun in the meantime. Many people like to give unique, handmade items as gifts, which means this can be a good market for you to target. Furnish yourself with business cards as soon as possible. You can find business card offers online for free or very cheap. On the business card, have your name, phone number and the business's name. It is important to include your email and website as well. Include several ways your visitors can get in touch. If you have identified the type of home business that you want to start, do research on the industry. To make a business plan, you need to understand your industry. Find out if there is a market for it, how much competition there is and how much startup costs will be. Now that you have a good idea of what it is you want to do for your home business, you should start thinking of strategies you can use. Once you have an idea of the way you're going to go about making your home business successful, you then need to try those strategies out. It's only through trial and error that you're going to see success. Student loan.